Okay, folks, today we got a really sharp truck. 2014 GMC Sierra lifted. Tuscany edition. Got the step bars, fender flares, 37-inch tires. Let's reach up in it, crank it up. Really sharp truck. Does have a small dent right there on the bumper, but we got a new bumper coming for it. We're gonna put that on it. Power seat on the passenger side as well. Good, sounds good here. Really sharp truck. All right, got the USB, got the plug, power pedal adjust, traction control. Some more USB and auxiliary right in here. Does have the backup camera, Bluetooth, 114,000 miles. Got GMC antenna link, dual climate control, got heated seats. Let's take her for a spin. Also, sometimes these videos, folks, it makes it look like the dash lights are flickering. They're not, it's just where the light reflects off the camera. Everything sits out like it should. Drive smooth. It was lifted right. It rides good. Going straight. Well, that's it, folks. Couple more looks around the interior. Really nice truck, really sharp. Lift it up. Well, if we can help you with anything, give us a call, 731-968-2812, or visit us online at snsautoSale.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.